Imagine a world beyond the three dimensions we experience every day. A world where the very fabric of space and time bends and twists in ways we can barely comprehend. Welcome to the fourth dimension. We live in a universe defined by length, width, and height, three dimensions that shape everything we know. But what if there's a hidden dimension, one we can't see but that influences the universe around us? This hidden world is what scientists call the fourth dimension. In three dimensions, we can picture objects like cubes or spheres, but a 4D object like a tesseract behaves in a completely different way. If you tried to visualize it, you'd see shapes that appear to warp and stretch as they pass through our limited 3D view. To understand this, think of yourself as a two-dimensional being living on a flat surface. You can move forward, backward, left and right, but you have no concept of up and down. Now imagine a three-dimensional being lifting an object out of your world. From your 2D perspective, it would simply disappear, vanishing into the third dimension. In our 3D world, the fourth dimension could represent something just as strange. Physicists often refer to time as the fourth dimension. Time isn't just a constant flow, but a flexible, interwoven part of the space around us, something that can bend under the influence of gravity. This is what Einstein's theory of general relativity teaches us. Massive objects can bend the fabric of space-time. A prime example is a black hole. As space and time bend near its event horizon, time slows dramatically compared to the space farther away. If you were near a black hole, hours for you might seem like years to an outside observer. This time dilation is an effect of the fourth dimension on our everyday 3D reality. But time might not be the only fourth dimension. Some theories suggest that there could be more, hidden dimensions curled up and invisible to us. These dimensions could explain some of the biggest mysteries in physics, like how gravity works on a cosmic scale or the nature of dark matter. Physicists are searching for evidence of these hidden dimensions. At places like CERN, experiments are being conducted that might one day give us proof. By smashing particles together at nearly the speed of light, scientists hope to reveal tiny clues that could point to the existence of these extra dimensions. And if higher dimensions exist, they might explain one of the most mind-boggling ideas of all, the multiverse. In this theory, our universe might be just one of many, all existing side by side in different dimensions. These alternate realities could operate under different physical laws, or they might be incredibly similar to our own, yet just out of reach in the fourth dimension. So what would it be like to live in the fourth dimension? Just as a 2D being can't comprehend our 3D world, we can't fully imagine the fourth dimension. But if we could step into it, perhaps we'd be able to move through time like we move through space. Perhaps we'd see reality in a completely new way, where the boundaries of space, time, and gravity blur into one. The fourth dimension holds more questions than answers. But as we continue to explore the cosmos, it's clear that the universe is far more complex and far more fascinating than we ever imagined. Could there be other dimensions waiting to be discovered? What do you think lies beyond the 3D world we live in? Subscribe to Cosmic Depths to join us on more journeys through space, time, and the hidden mysteries of the universe.